Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the Rinnai E430 error code on your water heater, you're in the right place. This code, often seen in 2025 models and beyond, can be a real headache, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get your hot water flowing again quickly. First off, let's talk about what this error means. The E430 code typically signals an issue with the ignition system or flame detection, which could prevent your heater from starting up properly. It's like your water heater is saying, "Hey, I can't light the fire." This might happen due to a faulty igniter, problems with the gas supply, or even a dirty sensor that's not detecting the flame correctly. Now, before we dive into fixes, safety is key. Always turn off the power and gas supply to your unit to avoid any risks. Trust me, it's not worth a trip to the ER. Once you're safe, start with some basic troubleshooting. Check if the gas valve is fully open and that there's no blockage in the gas line. Next, inspect the igniter for any visible damage or buildup. If it's dirty, give it a gentle clean with a soft brush. Don't forget to look at the flame sensor. Dirt or corrosion here is a common culprit. If you're handy, you might try resetting the unit by turning it off for a few minutes and then back on. In many cases, this simple reset can clear the error. However, if the problem persists, it could point to a more serious issue like a bad control board or wiring problem, which means it's time to call in a professional technician. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix it without causing further damage. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself could void your warranty, so play it smart. By understanding and addressing the E430 error promptly, you'll save time, money, and frustration. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.